Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another set of beautiful nails, and this time we will be doing a couple of rhinestones as well as the caviar. So first thing I'm doing is I'm applying the rhinestones with a wax pencil, and I'm using my Mia Secret gel resin. And this gel resin is not it's an actual gel, but you do not have to cure. And once again, it is by Mia Secret, and you can find it on eBay. I'll leave the link in the description. So I'm also gonna have these the big rhinestones available for sale on my website pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do all the fingers with the rhinestones in the middle, and then I'm gonna come back and add the caviar. And for my rhinestones, I am using my SS6 and SS12. So for the pinky, we're going to do an SS12 in the middle, and then we're going to do the perimeter of the nail with the SS6. And once again, I'm using my wax pencil and my Mia Secret gel resin, which you can find on eBay, and I have the pencil available on my website. Alrighty, so to apply the caviar, I'm gonna apply a layer of gel top coat, and you want to make sure you don't get it on the rest of your rhinestones because you don't want the caviar to stick to the rhinestones. So after that, I'll wipe the sides off, and I'm gonna apply my caviar with a little cuticle pusher just to scoop it up. And you want to make sure the caviar is on the whole nail. You want to make sure you turn your finger over to the side and make sure you feel every little gap in, and then you just want to pat it down with your fingers so it could basically not soak into the polish, but you want it to be in that top coat. So once again, we apply our top coat to that tip, clean the sides off, and then apply your caviar with this little cuticle pusher. And I'll also have the little caviar available for sale pretty soon, so please stay tuned for that. Alrighty, so this is the last one. So remember, we apply our top coat, and I am using my IBD gel top coat in it to non-cleanse, so it won't have a little inhibition layer, so I don't have to go back and wipe anything off. So I pour my caviar on with this cuticle pusher and clean the sides off to make sure that it's no rough edges on the sides, and then we're going to cure this for 60 seconds. So now we're going to move on to the other hand, and we're doing the same thing for this pinky. We're going to do it SS12 in the center of the nail, and then we're going to do SS12 around the whole perimeter of the nail. So once again, I'm using my Mia Secret gel resin and my wax pencil, which you can find on my website. Another method that can be used is, instead of using your glue, you could always just use your gel top coat, and you do the same thing. You just lay your rhinestones down and then do your caviar. The only difference is you're not using glue. So then after it has cured, you want to go back around and add a top coat just to the corners. You don't want to do a top coat over the whole caviar because it will kind of make it look like melted plastic. You won't really be able to tell that it's caviar. So remember, you just want to seal the edges. And then for the back part of her nail, we're doing a matte top coat. So I'm using my Elite 99 top coat, which I will be restocking pretty soon on my website. And then we're just going to cure this for 90 seconds just to make sure that everything is nice and cured. Alrighty, and you would notice that after we do our top coat and after we've applied our caviar, it kind of takes away some of that shape. So then we're just going to go back in and gently file the sides just to kind of redefine that shape. Once again, you want to do it real slightly so you don't knock off any of that caviar. And this is just to redefine your shape. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to apply my cuticle oil, and this is my clear pineapple cuticle oil, which you can find available on my website. So I hope everybody enjoyed. This is the final look. They came out super pretty. They're really shiny and they are just flawless. So once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos to come.